Right, another hero drink. So what we're doing today is going to be a little spin on a London fog, but instead it's going to be our vanilla chai fog. So for this, all you're going to need is some vanilla syrup, using our vanilla sweetbird today, chai powder, some cinnamon, and some skimmed milk. So to start off, we're going to be adding our chai powder. So 1 scoop, 30 grams, and then adding our water. There's about 30 grams there. Give it a good whisk. Nothing like a good whisk in. Next, gonna add 2 pumps of vanilla. Final step, that's steamed milk. So for you baristas out there, we're gonna aim more for kind of cappuccino, a little bit foamier milk than you would on your usual drink. We'll drop in there, just give it a good old mix about, and just top that up. And then as a little garnish on top, you go cinnamon. There we go. Voila.